Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 2. I just did a Part 1 yesterday, and then one of my internet gurus, buddies, that's helped me quite a few times, suggested just a lot of fonts have special characters. So what we're going to do, we're going to use them. If you go to text in GIFs, now in earlier versions, it was insert symbols or something. So we've got Arial black here, and if you look, there's that dot we want. It's a little bit confusing, but we're going to type out in capital letters, rolling hills. Don't worry about the size. Put a space, then go down here, that dot, and double click, and it adds that item. Now, this is the part I don't understand. You can't just keep going. You have to kind of click off of it, hit a space, rolling hills, space, double click. But see, it won't let me do anything. So I've got to come off of it, go back, put a space. So if somebody knows what I'm doing wrong, space, and then double click. Now here's kind of what I did figure out. We need this to be the length of our circle. And so let's get back. Well, I went too far. Let's take this text now, bring it up to our text to path that we're going to use. And if you look right here, if we take this, this is a curve already. It was an ellipse. I converted to a curve by going to an object and convert to curve. Then go to Windows, Dockers, Properties, and get the length of the curve. So it's 28.61. So we're going to type that out. So it's 28.61. Now we need to take our text and make it 28.61. But that's not going to work because that dot now is going to be next to there. So what we have to do is take our parallel dimension tool and just kind of roughly see what the dimension is. Let's say it's 46. So what we need to do is take this and we'll go 28.61. I always take away the inch marks minus 0.46. So it made it a little bit shorter. Now when we grab it and go text to path, put it on our path, look at that. It spaced it out perfectly. So the dots, whatever that symbol is, instead in part 1, I actually made dots, but this is more in the center and a lot easier. And then of course you put it into your graphic, and then while amazingly, it's perfect. So then what you're going to do is you're going to click on it, go to object, and matter of fact, we'll probably have to select it all, go up to object, break text apart, and then you can take your path and delete it, and you have that in there, and everything's perfect. So I think that he's helped me a bunch. He's a math professor and does a lot of stuff with symbols. And I knew we had symbols, but I just didn't ever think about it. So in earlier versions, yours is going to say insert symbols, I think. And then they changed it to GIFs. And there are a lot of things that, you could, like musical notes, things you don't even think about. Let's take our text tool, just click on it and go down there and double click on that musical note. Well, let me get my text. There we go. And now you have a good, crisp, there's a lot of things in here. I mean, look at that. lot of drawings, you know, different musical note, and then like in different languages where you have whatever that sign is above, and well, I don't know where there it is. Of course, it's a backwards N, but anyway, give that a shot and take away that space. That was a big help. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.